Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the watercolor method on this wig I got from Angel Grace Hair. First I go in with the Adore semi-permanent dye, and I bought 2 bottles of this. I put the dye into the water and I mixed it up. I used my comb because I didn't have anything else. But here's the wig. This wig is from Angel Grace Hair. It's a 613 blonde wig. I first just put in the tip of the hair first, and then I put in all the hair. And I thought the color would take like the first dip, but it really didn't. It was still blonde in a lot of spots, so I had to go in again. So you'll see me applying some more dye into the water and mixing it up. And what I think happened was I had too much water and I should have had less water. The more water, the lighter the color, and the less water, the darker the color. The color was spotty in some spots, but all in all, it came out pretty well, but I should have used less water. And I ended up using 2 bottles of dye. After we're done dyeing, we're moving into installing. And I'm doing the wig cap method for today. I'm using the Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray. I use the blow dryer to make sure the glue is all the way dry. Once it's dry, I start cutting the cap, and this process is kind of hard. I would just say, like, be careful, because I realized today I accidentally cut some of my skin, which I didn't feel it, but it hurts now, so yeah. I'm going in with the True Match powder, and I'm just putting that on the wig cap so it'll blend better to my skin tone. I'm getting the wig, I'm just adjusting it to see where I want it to go. And like this wig, I didn't even have to pluck it. It looked so nice. The hairline looked so natural, so I decided not to pluck it. And I just started gluing it down with the Got To Be Free spray. And the way I'm doing it is I'm just gluing it down while the lace is still on the wig. Because I find this easier when it comes to cutting the lace, especially for the first time. It makes it a lot easier. Then I start to cut the lace, and this was a hassle because I got kind of messy with the glue. Now I'm doing my baby hairs after I've cut the lace, and I'm using the Got To Be Ultra Glued. It's in the black bottle. Then I'm tying down my wig. Me doing the front of my hair, and I'm just doing it in sections, nothing fancy. Here is the final look. Like, I love it so much. The color came out so nicely. It just looks so well on my skin tone. All the wig info will be linked below if you're interested in buying this unit. There will be a lot more hair tutorials coming from me. This is my first hair tutorial. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on all my social medias. I'm Tyrajaneaa on Instagram, and Tyra with 2 A's and Janae with 2 A's on Twitter. And until next time, bye.